Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Evening everybody, and welcome to Akshan Taak, big things we are going in a little Jamaica. My name Primrose Barret. The glean of a Sunday, May 17, 2009, so we're in a big trouble. The Jamaican student then will go to college, owe the student loan bureau $760 million. That the money they could have helped half of the student them when I have the money to pay for them school fee this a year. The Student Loan Bureau did start up from 1970 to help make sure that Jamaican college students who do them work and need the help to pay them school fee could get the money to pay. According to the same Lena story, and the UE and UTech student them owe the most amount of the money. The UE student them alone owe $361.2 million and the UTech student them owe $175.1 million. Lenny's Barnett, who were in charge of the Student Loan Bureau, did tell the Gleaner say them have enough people will not pay them back from 1996. And sake of that made them not have enough money to help the other student them who come to borrow money from them after that. Prime Minister Bruce Golding said enough of the students them who done college can't pay back the money because they not have no job. And that alone, because 2 years back in June 14, 2007, one student did tell the Observer said the amount of money with the Student Loan Bureau said she owe only more than what she did borrow. She said she did borrow $80,000, pay them back $50,000, and then after that she hears that she owe $120,000 more. The Bureau set up a system so that from the day you borrow the money, them start at 12% interest on it. And if you pay back some of the money where you owe, then still add the 12% interest on the money we left till you pay back all of the money. Still, the Student Loan Bureau are trying to make sure them understand say they need to start pay back the money 6 months after them get them college certificate and find job. And that the money that them use to help out the more than 6,000 students them will come to borrow money from the Bureau every year. This was Akshan Taak, big things we are going in Jamaica. My name Primrose Barret.